back to another video on Fun with Bridge Club. For today's video, we'll be doing crafts and activities. On today's episode, we'll be making fortune tellers. Stay tuned and keep watching so you could make one of these as well. To start off with the fortune teller, you're going to need a piece of paper, 4 colors of markers that are your choice of color, and a pair of scissors. To begin, you'll get the top corner of the piece of paper and fold it perfectly to the other side. Once you have done this, you should have something that looks like this. After you have folded the piece of paper, you're going to get your pair of scissors and cut off the excess piece of paper. Once you have done this, you'll put your pair of scissors and your excess paper to the side. Once you have cut the piece of paper, you could unfold it and you will notice that a line is right through the middle. Once this is done, you're going to fold right through the other side as well. Bring one side to the other and fold it perfectly. Once you have done this, you can open the piece of paper up again and you will notice that there are 2 lines right through the piece of paper. Once you have done this, you'll get the top piece of paper and fold it right to the center of the paper. You'll be doing this to all 4 sides. Once you have done all 4 sides, you will make sure that they are tightly pressed down and flip the paper over and do it one more time to all 4 corners. Once you have that done, it should look like this. Now that you have this, you'll fold the paper right through the middle. Make sure that your paper is folded perfectly and you should end up with this. Now that you have done this, you could just put your thumb through one paper under the slip and your index finger through the other and wiggle it until it forms a perfect fortune teller. Once you have got to this step, you'll grab your 4 colors of markers of your choice and number off the 4 sides 1 through 4. 1, 2, flip it over, 3, and 4. Should end up with something like this. Once that is done, you will open up your fortune teller. Notice that each flap has a line through the middle, so you'll be numbering each of them 1 through 8. So you could get your markers and then start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll end up with something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Once that is done, you'll open up your fortune teller and you will write a nice saying, or you could do a question to ask someone, or whatever you like. Once you have wrote a little saying or question on each side, you will fold it right back up. And look like this again. Put your thumb and your index paper through each side. And you have made a fortune teller. Thank you for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed making a fortune teller. Stay tuned for more and exciting videos.